Well, as I said, we were able to, run out on the Sea Screamer and stuff and get some footage or whatnot. We'll put this up on YouTube. I'd recommend if you ever get down in Panama City to definitely run out on this. It was a very cool trip. You learned a lot of cool stuff. It was well worth it. So, we definitely highly endorse you guys to come down to Panama City and jump on this. A lot of fun. Cody was our first mate. He's got his 100-ton captain's license and whatnot. Hey, Cody, how old are you? 19. He's already got his 100-ton license and he's operating the boat. So it's truly amazing. A lot of fun. There they are. Definitely highly recommend it. Thanks again, Captain. We appreciated it.
Hey, Cody's going to go ahead and catch y'all a jellyfish or two so you kids can take a sample of one, okay? Catch y'all a jellyfish or two so you kids can take a sample of one, okay?
Well, we ended up getting a free ride on Screamer here to go out and look for some dolphins and stuff like that. So the captain just happened to, if we put some stuff on, on YouTube or whatever, and he'd give us a free trip out here. So we're out kicking around. It's a pretty interesting boat. A lot of fun.
Now, folks, these jellyfish will not sting you. They will not sting you. These are. Got him cold. If you look, there's a lot of little teeny fish in him too, guys. If you'd like to hold it, hey Cody, first off, hold him up high where everybody can see him. Yes. Now those of you that go to the Outback Steakhouse are touching the dolphin. Y'all see the little one there? That's the mom and her calf there. She's coming up. The baby's right beside her. Hillary, come up there. Little one there? That's the mom and her calf there. She's coming up. The baby's right beside her. Hillary, come up there.
There she is.
There she is. Notice that baby stays right with that mom. It's not supposed to let you. A female dolphin carries their baby for about 10 months before it's actually born. Very similar to humans. The baby dolphin will normally nurse for almost 2 years in the wild. I always thought that to be a little bit bizarre when you think about the requirements of that. You can nurse out here in the Gulf of Mexico. Mom around. Dolphins are very social and loyal animals. Here we go.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
That's a cool sounding echo, isn't it, folks? You know, in all reality, isn't this a great redneck thing to be doing down here, folks? Riding up down to be shooting cannonballs at everybody. All right, let's shoot one more, Cody.
3, 2, 1. Yep, that's a spider crab. Those are easy.
Looks like we got some. These are all good eating crabs, by the way. This is
Yep, that's a spider crab. Those are easy.
looks like we got some. These are all good eating crabs, by the way. This is blue crabs. This is what you most of the restaurants do serve.